Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to replace the battery in a 2026 BYD Seal key. The same method will work on similar BYD keys, although the release tab or the opening can be in a slightly different position, for example on the side. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Start by pressing the black release tab at the silver end of the key. This loosens the end cap. A new key can be quite tight here, so it may take a couple of attempts. Pull off the silver cap, then slide out the hidden mechanical key. Insert the end of the mechanical key into the opening in the casing. Apply steady pressure and twist it gently until the two halves begin to separate. Take your time, especially if the key has never been opened before, and avoid using too much force or marking the plastic. With the cover removed, you'll see the circuit board. It's held in place by two tabs on one side, the bottom end, and a single retaining tab on the other. Place the flathead screwdriver beneath the edge beside the single tab, then carefully lift the board out. You may hear a small click as it releases. Flip the circuit board over. Use the opening beside the QR code to push the old battery out. Then fit the new CR2032 battery with the labelled positive side facing upwards. Slide it fully beneath the contacts and make sure it's sitting flat. To reassemble the key, position the circuit board beneath the two tabs first, then gently press the opposite side down until it clicks into place. Refit the cover and press around the edges until the case is fully secured again. Finally, slide the mechanical key back in and refit the silver end cap. And that's it. Your BYD Seal key battery has been replaced and the key is now ready to be used. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.